progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. A magistrate court in Surat has directed Congress leader Rahul Gandhi to appear before it on October 29th to record his statement in connection with the criminal defamation case against him over his remark on the Modi surname. On Monday, Chief Judicial Magistrate A.N. Dave asked Gandhi to appear on October 29th to record his statement further, after the testimony of two new witnesses were taken since the Congress leader last appeared before the court on June 24th this year. Prior to it, Gandhi had appeared before the court in October 2019 and pleaded not guilty for his comment. Gandhi's lawyer Kirit Panwala said the court on Monday orally directed Rahul Gandhi to appear on October 29 to record his further statement over the testimonies of two new witnesses. He is likely to remain present before the court between 3 p.m. and 6 p.m. on that day. BJP legislator from Surat, Purnesh Modi, who is now a minister in the new Gujarat government led by Chief Minister Bhupendra Patil, had filed a complaint against Gandhi in April 2019 under Indian Penal Code Section 499 and 500 that deal with defamation. In his complaint, the MLA had alleged that Gandhi, while addressing a poll rally in 2019, defamed the entire Modi community by saying Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Narendra Modi, how come they all have Modi as the common surname? How come all the thieves have Modi as the common surname?